This short and theoretical chapter explains how caching works on views listings. In our offer platform, let's start with the /offer page, which is also the home page of the website. Let's dig a bit deeper in the caching here. This is a views page, and if we go to the settings of this page, structure, views, offer. So this is the /offer. If we here go to advanced, you will see caching. And caching is set to tag based. Because this view looks only for entities of the type offer, it will automatically invalidate when new offers are added. So if we have a look at the headers, and I'm gonna log out so we can see this as a user. So test.